Hey, Tom Lenfestey with you again. And over the years, we've helped lots of law firms, all different types of law firms, personal injury, immigration, criminal defense, real estate. But this story is about a personal injury firm that really grew to a certain level and looking to see what are those exit options, those steps to take to make sure you can successfully sell a personal injury firm. Well, David came to us with a firm that he had grown into a market leader in the personal injury space, built systems, had great people on those systems. Our goal was to take the uniqueness and find it in the valuation, and then to really go in the marketplace and not just find any buyer, but to find a qualified buyer for personal injury that could have the funding and the know-how over how to take an operation like this, like David had built, and successfully take it over, but also continue to grow it into the future. Personal injury can be a little bit different based on the size, the scale, what's involved in doing that. But the success stories, like David, he successfully sold his firm and was able to achieve his exit for the right value, can happen for you too. So if you're a law firm owner that's running a good, successful PI practice, give us a call. Let us know. Maybe you just want to know the value for what you've built today for planning down the line, or you're ready to take those next steps and start exploring sale. Like David, we hopefully can achieve the success that he saw for you. Thanks so much.